In this video, let's take Tonewinner AT-200 Theater Karaoke processor as an example, and show you how to do the first-time adjustment. The first step is to connect the sound system properly. 1. Speaker Layout Settings. Open the Setup, Speaker Setup, Speaker Layout. There are multiple built-in speaker layout modes. You can choose different speaker layouts according to the number of speakers. 2. Level Test Compensation. Open the Setup, Speaker Setup, Level Test, Adjust. Adjust each channel one by one, and each channel will emit a pink noise signal. This test can check whether the wiring of each speaker is correct, and whether the level gain of each speaker is consistent. 3. Speaker Distance, Delay, Settings. Open the Setup, Speaker Setup, Speaker Distance. Enter the best distance from each speaker to the sitting position, and the system automatically converts it into milliseconds, delay time, to achieve a better listening effect. 4. Subwoofer Selection Settings. Open the Setup, Speaker Setup, Subwoofer. You can choose the amount of subwoofer, such as no subwoofer, 1, 2, and 3 subwoofer. 5. EQ Settings. Open the Setup, Manual EQ. The EQ settings provide a variety of effect modes. After selecting the EQ one, you can see that there are different channels that can be adjusted, and each channel has multiple parameters that can be set. You can first finish the Auto Room Test, or the Advanced Test, before setting the EQ. 6. Power on Volume, Maximum Volume Settings. Open the Setup, Option, Volume Options. The power on volume is recommended to be set to an appropriate volume that makes the machine work properly, and the maximum volume is recommended to be set to a normal and reliable volume to avoid too much loss. 7. HDMI Format Setting. Open the Setup, Options, HDMI Option, HDMI Format. The system provides HDMI format settings for different channels, and provides 3 options: Standard, Automatic, and Enhance. Standard means that the resolution is 1080p, Auto indicates that the resolution is 1080p and 4K, and Enhance indicates that the resolution is 4K. If you want to play 3D or 4K movies, you need to ensure that the player, display device, and cables can support this format. Otherwise the entire system will have no video output. 8. Input Source Settings. Open the Setup, Source Setup. The system enables arbitrary grouping settings for each group of HDMI channels. We will use one group as an example. Select an HDMI channel, select its EQ Select, and we can see EQ1, EQ2, EQ3 and bypass. Go back to the previous step and select Karaoke, and the system's effector defaults to off. If the internal effector is selected, the karaoke function will be automatically turned on every time you switch to this channel. If you switch to external, every time you switch to this channel, the system sound source will be external effector, and the local HDMI sound source will be invalid, with only video be displayed. Then all volume control and adjustment will need to be done on external effector. 9. Karaoke Settings. Open the menu, Karaoke. If all the karaoke options are grayed out, you need to set the karaoke to internal effector before you can set other options. Open the volume setting. We need to set a microphone power on volume and the microphone max volume to make sure the volume is within normal range. The channel volume option can set the microphone volume of the center, subwoofer and surround speakers. The parameter option can set shift frequency, effect volume, delay, phase, echo volume, and reverb volume. The EQ Adjust option provides adjustment of each frequency band, and professional individuals can make advanced settings. In the Mode option, the factory mode has several built-in microphone effect modes for you to choose from. The Save option provides 3 modes for you to save. After adjusting each parameter, you must click Save, otherwise all the adjusted effects will be lost after turning off the machine. 10 parameter Save and Recall settings. Open the Setup, Save and Recall, Save to Backup. Make a backup of all adjusted parameters, so that you can quickly restore the parameters to the adjusted state, and press the OK button to automatically save to the machine inside. When you uses it next time, select Load from Backup to restore to the effect state adjusted at that time. 11. Lock settings. The purpose of locking the machine is to prevent the user from accidentally messing up the parameters during subsequent use. Here is the operation method. Exit the menu, press and hold the lock button on the remote control for 8 seconds to lock the machine. After the machine is locked, all parameter adjustments cannot be recalled. Please take just 1 second out of your day to click the like button down below. It takes you no time, but I really do appreciate it.